At Deck Coating Specialist, we have you covered. Offering complete deck coating, decorative coating, and waterproofing solutions, our experienced team provides quality workmanship and lasting results for even the toughest coating jobs. Architects, developers, contractors, property managers, and homeowners all trust the experts at Deck Coating Specialist to protect and improve their investments. With 54 years combined industry experience, our managers have a proven track record and a reputation for fitting any budget without cutting corners and meeting every deadline. Whether it's acrylic or urethane coatings for decks, decorative coatings for pools, patios and entryways, or waterproofing for decks, balconies and stairways, our team offers outstanding professionalism, supreme attention to detail, and unmatched quality every step of the way. Get started on your next project today. Call Deck Coating Specialist. Better business, beautiful results.